Hey guys, what is up? Magic1223 here with another gameplay of White Noise. I almost said Skate 3. We're gonna have it on Nightmare, and we're gonna play in here. And I guess we'll be this guy. I like him. So, like, comment, subscribe, and at the end of this video, at the end of the video, I will show a little bit of gameplay of Skate 3 if I can. If not, I'll have it in another video. But my friends tell me not to do 2 gameplays in one video, but I want to try something different. A lot of people on YouTube, I don't think they do that. Like have a gameplay of Skate 3 and then have a scary game next. So, yeah. Wherever I am, I'm trying to find. I know there's like a disc or something, recorder somewhere on the side of these buildings. There's usually one right here, but I guess not. Maybe it'll be on the other side. No? No, it's not on the other. Oh yeah, it is. It's right here. Found it. Alright, that's 1 out of 8, guys. Oh, there he is. Ah. Stop stalking me, bro. Sheesh. I'm gonna name him Butterfingers, because I like Butterfingers. So, Mr. Butterfingers, where you at? He scared the crap out of me just then. Is this a dead end? Is there a wall there? Did I fall out of the map? No. It's just the end of. Oh god. Okay, fine. I'm sorry, Mr. Butterfingers. Is this your territory? I'm sorry. I'll go on my territory. Let me run over there because I'm scared of you. I've gotten used to this game, so it's not as scary. But some parts to me are scary, but some parts aren't. So, yeah, that's that. I'm hoping to find another disc, or whatever they're called, recorder over here. Oh, stop! Stop stalking me, bro. Having a nightmare, I understand that, but now you're over there. Sheesh. This thing loves me. Is it on the wall? No, it ain't. Where's it at? Where's it at? Has to be one somewhere. Oh, jeez. Son of a biscuit eater. Dude, he was literally right behind me. Stop it! Stop it. Stop it. Freaking faggot. That jerk. Freaking. Screw you, Butterfingers. Playing on Nightmare again. Same map. Okay, different map. This guy. Alright, let's do this. Alright, 1 disc, come on. I can find 1 disc quickly. Enough. Quick enough. Alright, shouldn't there be one over here? I haven't played on this map in forever, so I don't know if there is one or not. Leave in the comment in the description or whatever it's called on what games I should play next, or if I should just keep playing White Noise and Skate 3. I will be coming out with Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 1 gameplays and trolling, so I'll be doing a lot of that coming up in the future. Not anytime soon, but eventually. I have a feeling, ooh, that the tape recorder is going to be on the side of the building. Right here. No? Other side? Is it on this side? Can I look through the window? I'm going to just look through the window. Is it in there? Nope, not in there. Okay, so it's not there. It must be on the other side. Oh. My dog just barked and it scared me. It's not a nice game to play in the dark. I will play in the dark eventually, just not anytime soon, because I'm a little wimp. That's right. I can't believe that he was literally right behind me just in the last play. That was funny. Okay. Are there any other discs? And I think there is one over here. No, that's the lake. Never mind. Does it run all the way over here? Does it? I'm Aquaman. I can swim through that. Oh, there are rocks. Never mind. I'll just walk across. I'll be like a boss. Walk across. I'm gonna walk across, boss. Okay. Are you serious? I can't find one disc whatsoever. Oh crap. What the heck? I keep turning on off my flashlight on accident. Are you serious? This is gonna take me forever. Oh. Oh, you hang someone over here? Oh, they hung the disc. I see. You guys are cruel. Real cruel. Cruel, not cool. How do I get up there? Oh, stairs. Durr. Who would hang this thing? I mean, who would literally hang a tape recorder? Who? Anyone? Would you guys do that? That's just total tape recorder cruelty. That's been. Woo! Hello, Mr. Butterfingers. If you don't like that name, please don't kill me. I'll change it eventually. I'll probably forget that your name is Butterfingers and call you Billy Bob eventually. Hello, Mr. Billy Bob. Yep, that sounds like a perfect name for you. Yeah, I'm gonna die soon. Very soon, because he's like right there. Hi! Oh gosh. I tried to turn away. I'm not lying. I tried to turn away. He killed me. Well, this is it for this video. See you guys later. Peace out.